So Bitget wallet for Ton. So let's just try it out. If you can, how to install it. So X Bitkeep. So Bitget wallet, best and secure crypto wallet. So let's just take a look at it. Trusted by 20 million global users. Formerly known as Bitkeep, is one of the world's largest non-custodial Web3 multi-chain crypto wallets, established in 2018. It has attracted over 19 million users across 168 countries worldwide, supporting more than 250,000 cryptocurrencies and 20,000 dApps from over 90 mainnets. So you can see here, and then if you just open it up, you can allow notifications, you can import a wallet, or you can create a wallet. So for new users or for experienced users, so mnemonic wallet is just like a 1-word seed phrase, or you can just create keyless wallet where you just have login method using Apple, Google, or email. So this is just for new users, but then probably it will be harder to import that wallet elsewhere in Tonekeeper, for example. And then you need to set up your payment password. And then you need to set up PIN code, you need to enable Face ID or Touch ID, and then basically it should be good to go. So then now you have your wallet, and then you can use it for Ton, I guess. So you can receive, like you can just, for example, search for Ton. I don't know, like, so here is Ton coin. All right, so basically for that, you need to actually create not keyless wallet, you need to create a mnemonic wallet. So so now this should work, and then receive, and then Ton, you just can search Ton coin, and then that's how you create your Ton coin address. Then finally, after confirming your passphrase, then you can just have your Ton wallet. And then if you go to Telegram, and then you wanna connect to it to Nutcoin, then you can just, for example, select Bitget wallet, and then it should kind of work. So maybe it's not yet working as well because there's some weird issue, but that's how you get started here. I mean, maybe, they will fix it in future, but at the moment, it's a bit more complicated. So, but that's basically how you can create a new wallet.